Stop scrolling. What you do before bed is ruining your life, and this simple change fixes it. Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you a night routine that changed my entire life. If you want more energy, better sleep, and a more productive tomorrow, watch this till the end. Pushpin: why night routine matters. Most of us scroll on our phones before sleep, stay up late, and wake up tired, every single day. But your night routine literally sets the tone for your whole next day. The right routine helps your brain relax, improves sleep quality, and prepares you mentally and physically for the next morning. The life-changing routine check: pick a bedtime and stick to it. Decide your bedtime each night, ideally 9 hours before your wake-up time. If you want 8 hours sleep, you need 9 in bed. Show clip or graphics: turn off screens early. Put your phone away at least 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. The blue light keeps your brain awake. Tidy up for tomorrow. Quickly clean up your room, pack your stuff, and set out your clothes, so you wake up into a stress-free morning. Or, calm your mind. Write a quick journal, meditate, or just think of 3 good things that happened today. Your brain shifts into rest mode. Sleep prep ritual: warm drink, light stretching, or a short read. Choose something relaxing so your brain knows it's time for sleep. Result: I started doing this, my sleep got deeper, I woke up earlier, and my whole day improved. If you imagine morning success, it actually starts the night before. Pushpin: if you try this tonight, comment DONE and tell me how you feel tomorrow.